our topic of Python is type conversion. So we're gonna perform it. First of all, we will convert from integer to float, and will convert float to integer, and convert from integer to complex numbers. So let me define the variables first. First variable is x, which is equals to 2, and this is integer int, and y is equals to 3.1. Wait, 3.1.
XYZ is a variable.
Yeah. X is 1, y is 3.1, and it is float, and z is equals to 5g. Okay, and this is complex number. So what we will do, we will convert from int.
Why are you putting hashtags?
This is to explain you,
Oh,
as we do in CSS also. A, the value of A is equals to float. The value of A is float, and it is x. Okay, then value of B is int, means integer, and it is y, and the value of C is complex, and it is x. So float, then wait, convert int to float, then we're gonna convert float to int, then we will convert int to complex. So int to complex, and now float to int. So this is all, and we will write down print 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. A, B, print type A. So basically, the type of print we have described here, the type of the print, which is A, and now we will define our types. Is B and C variable. So these all are variables. So now we will run this code. So we are running. So there is an error. Okay, so now you have to tell me that what is the error. Wait. Yeah, tell me what is the error. Hello.
yeah. Can I see the file, the whole thing?
Yeah.
Go down.
See the whole thing.
Because you put it print before.
No, because we have not defined the variable x, y, and z. We have to write here x, y,
Oh,
and z. So basically, these are the variables. Okay. So now we will run the code. So it is another error. Now tell me, z equals to 5g complex. Tell me what is the error.
it's the 5G complex.
No. Tell me the error.
Because you put it a G with a 5 without quotation marks.
Mm-hmm. Wait. G. Now run this. Done.
How?
Yeah, because G is not a complex number. G is not a complex. Okay, it's not an imaginary.
Yes.
We have to put J here. Okay.
Okay.
So this is our code, and you can see it comes like this.
1
Class
plus
int
0, that is
1 plus.
0.
So the values of integer is 1.0, and another is float is 3, and the another one is. So if we put here 3.9, and now you will run it. So it will remain 3, okay?